We would like to introduce ELECTROCELL Systems' totally automated modular side stream particle precipitator with BACnet interface. This system utilizes 3 ELECTROCELL patented technologies working together to achieve maximum results in HVAC condenser circulating open loops. The objective is to perform continuous micro-cleansing and minimize the effects of the laminar boundaries throughout the open loop, resulting in improved thermo transfer and efficiencies. This process is accomplished in 3 steps. First step, ELECTROCELL addresses and eliminates 98 to 99% of all suspended solids down to 1 micron. This is done with a series of low-voltage DC ionizers, which flocculate and coalesce suspended solids, turning small particles into larger particles. Second step, static mixers. Flow carries through a series of stainless steel vessels that direct flow downward, capturing larger particles in the collection area below. Smaller particles travel towards and into static mixers. This process blends and grows particles until they are precipitated to the collection area. All particles that have accumulated in the collection area are then purged to drain on conductivity bleed cycles throughout the day. Third step, total dissolved solids. Flow continues from the top of the stainless steel vessels into a positively charged high voltage DC ionizer cell, generating an electrostatic field that collapses laminar boundaries, which improves the thermotransfer throughout the condenser loop. Think of our system as a counterbalance to your building's cooling towers, with all the problems and expenses that a typical cooling tower presents. Literally tons of annual suspended solids and dissolved minerals, which are then circulated to your buildings and equipment's heat exchangers. Unlike traditional media side stream systems utilizing sand, cartridges, and bags, ELECTROCELL is media free, requires no backwash cycles, and only needs a minimal amount of in-house maintenance. ELECTROCELL has over 20 years of experience with Fortune 500 company installations, averaging 12% energy savings and 20% makeup water savings. Other benefits include less maintenance required, increase equipment life cycle, enhance existing chemical programs, reduce risk of biogrowth including Legionella. Remember, cleaner is greener, which equals quick return on investment. ELECTROCELL Systems also manufactures systems for chill water closed loops, hot water closed loops, and steam boiler feed water. Thank you for watching, and please call your local distributor for a quote, and thank you for your time. Take care.